Hello and welcome. Today we will play Last Christmas on our ukuleles. For this song we need 4 chords, and that's G, E minor, A minor, and D. There are a few strumming patterns that work, so let's go from beginner to advanced. If you're more of a beginner, every time this is KitKat, by the way, and she's very excited anytime the ukulele comes out. I don't think she's this excited when I play saxophone or guitar. Alrighty, so anytime you see a chord, you're going to give it 4 beats. And if you're a beginner, you're going to strum on beat 1 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, G again. Then switch to E minor. 2, 3, 4, like this. If you can do a little bit more, then you're going to do 4 down strums per chord, like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. And I would even encourage you to add the up strum. A minor, A minor. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And by the way, our singing note is an A. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. If you can do a little bit more, I would do almost what is like a double time of that. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. Now, if you can do a strumming pattern, we're going to do down, down, up, down, up. By the way, sorry you can hear choppers. There's always like a lot of flight activity by where I live. But coming back to the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. And then if you can add a chuck, add a chuck. So down, chuck, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. And I have chucking tutorials elsewhere on the channel, so I'll try and link one down below. If I forget to do it, please somebody remind me. So coming back to the singing note, we have that A, last. And in this way, the song is a little low for my voice. So what I would do is add a capo and then play a little higher. Let me grab a capo to show you how to do that. Okay, I've got my Ohana capo on the ukulele. I really like these metal ones. They're a lot more strong and sturdy than plastic ones, which we do see in some ukulele like bundles. So what I'm going to do is going to go to the 2nd fret of G string, because that's my singing note. Last. And then I'm going to play all the chords as written. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Now, I don't play the whole song with capo when I'm doing these tutorials, because I don't like to assume everybody has one. So I'll link this capo down below. But if you're shopping for one, just go for something that's metal. I think that's a little better. Now, coming back to the song, let's start at the chorus. You choose the level that you can play at. Here we go. Singing note is here. Last. 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, the good news is that when we go into the verse, we have the same chords in the same order. So let's talk about how to make it more special, how to add some nuance or some variety to it. And I think that's going to happen through picking patterns. I brought the ukulele up a little higher so that it's easier to see how to pick. So take your hand and assign 1 finger per string. And the thumb is on G, index on C, middle on E, and ring on A. And then you would pick on each beat. 1, 2, 3, And then when you add the chords like this, last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. So pretty, right? Or you could do it on the verse. Once bitten, twice shy, keep my distance, you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year and what doesn't surprise me. So that's if you're more of a beginner, just kind of dipping your toe into the world of picking. If you're more comfortable doing more, then I would do picking pattern like the string numbers, by the way, from face to floor are 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 1 is closest to the floor. So I would do something like 4, 3, 2, 1, like 2 and 1 together. And then 3. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Once bitten, twice shy. Doesn't that sound so pretty? I like that. So definitely experiment with finger picking patterns, and if you come up with one of your own, I would love to hear it. And by the way, you don't have to use all the strings. Like, you could leave out a string. Maybe don't touch G string and go to C and play C, E, A, E. Like strings 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. That can sound like this. Once bitten, twice shy. Keep my distance, you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. So let me know which picking pattern you like best, or if you're going to stick to strumming. Now I would like to do a little playthrough, but first I would like to mention the ukulele that I'm playing. Here, it's catching glare because it's high gloss. This is a solid mango wood ukulele from Romero Creations. It is beautiful. It has the planetary gear tuners, which are so buttery smooth. And it comes with low G strings. So I am playing Romero strings on this one. And it is just a gorgeous instrument. I do only have one in the shop that looks like this. Mango wood tends to look very different. So each one will have its own unique look. So if you're interested in this one or would like to learn more, check it out at BernadetteTeachesMusic.org. So, all right, let's go. Oh, and by the way, it comes with a hard case, a gig bag, complimentary shipping, and then I'm trying to remember what else is in the package. There's a few extra goodies, but I really like the hard case. Alrighty, KitKat's ready. Let's do this. I don't know if I'm gonna strum or pick or combine it. Let's see what comes out. 1, let me bring it up higher. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and last Christmas gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year you saved me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year you saved me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. There's a little instrumental break between the chorus and the verse. Here you can talk to your audience or do a little la 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 la